Hello
What's
guys.
up?
Hey,
What's
what's
up?
up? So now we will take you through our campus and let you explore our campus life.
Welcome to JSA, also known as Area 51, because of how secure our campus is. This is a multiverse where we make, design, think, unwind, and work together all at once. Oh, and that's Saksham and Muskan playing with an EDM machine in the middle of the day. As we move forward, we can see my favorite place on campus, the Foundation Studio. That is Muskan and Tavishi with their desks outside. As the name suggests, this place is inhabited by the first years. We get to choose our own desks and customize its location and setting according to our own needs. Saksham and I chose to keep it right in front of the window so that we can talk to the people outside and still get a lot of sunlight in.
Well, Varnika, I like to peep out of the window.
As you can see, the walls are writable, and even during the weekends, you'll find us sitting here and watching movies, goofing around, dancing, while still working on our deadlines and making a million drafts at once.
This is where we go artistic. Oh, everyone, say hi to Archie, our JSA pet.
Moving forward, you'll see the studios 1, A, B, and C. This is inhabited by the second years.
Oh, wait, Varnika. Well, that's my table in the left corner. This is our space. Let us handle it.
Talking about studios, we don't use it just to grind hard while making 3D models. We use it to celebrate birthdays too. And if you're coming here, you definitely gotta get cake.
Oh, I remember this video was taken one day before the submission, and it was really nice making this model through using layers. Like we learned about building service like plumbing, electricity, HVAC, and fire.
The interconnected studios 1A, B, and C offer an interactive space between the three spaces. Trust me, you really want to take your mind off from writing a huge 2000 word essay and work on a 3D model. Help your buddy out for a while, yeah.
Next up, we have the classrooms. This place witnesses all our potential ideas, debates, rough drafts, and infinite conversations which are a part of our learning process. We have a couple of pictures from the workshops that we have in here, and we also scribble on the wall all day.
So let me introduce you guys to my workspace, which is Digital Lab, where all the magic happens. This place consists of high-end PCs on which I use to work on softwares and renders, which is lovely.
Is that all we do here as well? Let's keep our gaming a secret.
So this is the design studio 2A and B. So the senior most batch will occupy this space. So Ujjwal and Shaurya, I hear you giggling. Oh, our best friend, the vending machine. I miss Orange Lace Man. And this is where all the adventure happens. My favorite place, the fabrication lab.
I was so afraid of cutting off my fingers during this workshop. In here, Professor Kilje and I were debating about ethnographies and the politics of representation.
Do you see the coffee machine there? We have so many secret stories to tell you about it when you come to our campus. Oh, that's me with the table saw. I tried my best to learn this and I gave 50 shots only to a single piece to cut, and now I can do it in a single shot. Oh, that's Vernika and Muskan using the miter saw. It was really hard to be friends with all the professional heavy machinery in there, but I used to try daily to be a good friend with them. We realize that these instruments are dangerous and should be handled precautionally, but still, we do some fun stuff while taking all the precautions. The studio runs from 6 a.m. in the morning to 1 a.m. at night. After the dawn, it's again well lit for us to relax and work again.
I honestly am a night person. I like working in the studio much more at night than in the morning. Whenever I feel sleepy, I just put on my skates and go for a whole orbit in the corridor. The same corridor space is used for organizing events and festivals like Holi, Diwali, and Halloween. That's me lying on the ground. Thanks for sitting on me, Ujjwal.
Our school is the only school in the Jindal Global University that has its own personal campus, and we feel really privileged about it, and that enhances our learning experience.
We've all become so attached to this place that it has transformed into our second home now. And most importantly, we would love to share this place with y'all and hope to see you soon.
Welcome to
Welcome to
JSA,
JSA,
guys.
guys.
See
See
you
you
soon.
soon.